Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarvana from A4 Analytics, and today we're going to see about the most underrated feature in Power BI called column from example. So, which is a feature we use to reduce the ton of time we invest on DAX calculations for few steps. Stay tuned. Okay, so how we can use the column from example where we get it in Power BI desktop tool. So we will have the column for example feature in Power Query. So we go to the transform data and we go to that add column, and you can see here column from example, so which can do tremendous work on certain things. So I have three tables in my table: orders in my tool, orders, people, returns. Um, so I go to the table returns. So you see three columns: return, order ID, and market. Let's say you want another column here, the fourth one. You just want to pick up a value from order ID, the last 168137 after this hyphen. So we need to add this thing more dynamically, get this thing dynamically without writing a DAX query. How we do that? We can do it using a call from example. Let me show it how. So we go to the column from example and we select it, and if you select it, it will have a column, separate column on the right side, and you can select which one you want to use to create a column from the example, where example is order ID and we need to take the things after the hyphen. So how we do that? So I double click here, so I'm gonna type the last six digit 168 and enter. Wow. So not only just for that row, we get the last several digits after the hyphen for all the rows in this table. So after hit this, we can click OK, and it's loading, and you will see that column as a separate column, and you can do any other steps. You can rename it. Maybe you can do order date last session, and this is one of our scenarios will be very much useful. So we're gonna look at another one. So I go to the people table, and you say two columns here: person, region, and I wanna have a column that takes first letter of first name and the full last name. That is A dot and ready. And how we do this? We're gonna have a separate column from example, and I'm gonna double click it. I'm gonna name A dot and Riyadi. I'm gonna enter. It's not picking up anything, so we do another step. So we want C dot Mahi and enter. And when you give an enter, and you will see the faded away things in a gray color, so which will automatically pulls the data from this column, and I have and create a separate column with those data values for each row. So this is how it works. So when we click OK, it will have another column. You can use it in any of visualizations in Power BI, and this is one of our most useful feature we use in Power BI, where the Power BI desktop uses mQuery to generate all the steps. We do it here. So so you can use it in your real-time project. That'll be very much helpful. So thank you. See you guys in the next video. See you. Bye.